हेलो एवरीवन। अबे यू ऑल, कैसे हो सब लोग? सब कुछ बढ़िया? बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है। यहाँ पर देखो क्वेश्चन है, नीट 2021 में पूछा हुआ। ओके, लेट्स रीड। रिलेटेड टू द मोशन इन अ प्लेन, अ पार्टिकल मूविंग इन a circle of radius r with a uniform speed takes a time t to complete one revolution. Now if this particle were projected with same speed at an angle of theta to the horizontal, the maximum height attained by it equals to r. The angle of projection theta is given by. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन मतलब समझने के लिए सिंपल है कि यहाँ पर देखो, एक पार्टिकल है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो एक सर्कुलर यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन में घूम रहा है, राइट? ओके, जिसका रेडियस है आर। like the radius of that circular path is what? r. And the particle is moving in uniform circular motion. Okay, so we can like find out that velocity here, the velocity of the particle, uh, not velocity, we'll say the speed of that particle. It will be 2 pi r. Okay, as it completes the one circumference and it required time t to complete it. So 2 pi r divided by t. So that's what the speed. Okay. Now, if the same particle is thrown at an angle of theta, okay, with same speed, with that u speed only. So let's throw that particle here. It can be like this, let's say. Okay, it will attain the projectile motion, right? So it will be like this. Now, as it reaches the maximum height, and that height is what equals to 4r. So here it reaches to the maximum height here. So that is what maximum height. Okay. So just what we'll do, let's say that's what the maximum height that it reaches, h max. Fine, and that is equal to 4r as it is given. Okay, then like it possesses that same velocity, let's say u, right? What we'll do, as it is in a projectile motion, so which means it has like actually it is with some angle, right? It is making angle theta here with the horizontal. So it will have the two components of velocity. The first one is what? Let's say that vertical component. So u sine theta, then u cos theta, like horizontal will be u cos theta. I hope like you know the resolution of that. Okay, so the h max is here. It is what 4r. We'll just use that relation over here. So h max, as we know that h max is nothing but u square by 2g. Okay, but here it is what projectile motion. So we need to take that vertical component. So it will be the u sine theta ka square, right, divided by twice g. And that is given as 4r. So it is what 4r. Here, let's separate that square, u square sine square theta, right, divided by 2g. We have the value of u here. We'll put that value and then we'll just simplify the question. Okay, so 4r, let's take that 2 on the other side. You'll get the 8gr. Then u is what? 2 pi r. So 2 ka square, that will be the 4 pi ka square, pi square. Then here r square divided by t square into, let's say, sine square theta, right? So your equation will be sine square theta is equal to, as we want to find out the theta, right? So it will be t square will be in the multiplication 8gr t square, right? Divided by, let's say that 4 pi square and then r square. Okay, so here let's say sine square theta, just will cut, see 4 2s are here, then that 1r will get cancelled. Okay, so what we have, that 2g t square divided by pi square and that 1r, right? If you can square root of both sides, you'll get the sine theta will be, okay, square का square root cancel होगा, the sine theta will be, let's say, root of 2g t square divided by pi square r. Okay, so the theta will be here. आपने यहाँ पर square root नहीं निकाला तो भी चलेगा क्योंकि ऑप्शन में देख सकते हो आप. Okay, so it will be, yeah, the square root is nothing but the index of half, right? Okay, so can write sine inverse. If you can take that sine, it will come in the denominator, and that is what sine inverse, and bracket 2g t square divided by pi square r, and square root, which means raised to half, right? So that is what your answer. So let me block it. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah. So the option D is what actually correct here. Okay, this one. All right. Just check sine inverse 2g t square pi square r raised to 1 by 2. Fine. Bye bye.